We'd been riding Tunisia for over a week. Medinas, the Sahara, rainstorms. Johnny A and I pushed south towards Toujours, palm oases, sand flats, Matmata, the actual village where they filmed Star Wars. We then turned back north. Tunisia has a way of surprising you. Most people picture mosques and Medinas, Arabic calligraphy, mint tea. All of that's true, but none of it prepares you for this. El Jem, the third largest Roman amphitheater ever built, better preserved than the Colosseum, and nobody outside North Africa knows about it. Underneath that arena floor, you can still walk the corridors where gladiators waited, see cages where lions were kept before being hoisted up into the light. 2,000 years old, still standing. We'd ridden thousands of clicks to get here, worth every one. I'm just standing outside a spectacular piece of Roman architecture. Like the Colosseum in Rome, but much smaller, but this one much more well-preserved. In fact, it's the most well-preserved Roman amphitheater in the world. It's a UNESCO Heritage Site.
It was built in El Jem at the Roman time. Why? Because El Jem, this town, become very, very rich town for the trade of olive oil. So people come here from this activity. And when they had a lot of money in El Jem, these people, they decide to build this prestigious monument to tell to Roma that they can have a Colosseum like the Colosseum of Rome. So our monument, it's same architecture, same activity, same plane than Roma Colosseum, but not the same size, because El Jem, it's the third in the world.
Third largest.
Yes, after Roma and Verona.
In Verona.
Yes, but it's the biggest in Tunisia. In Roman Africa, it's the biggest.
It's the third largest Roman amphitheater as well. Of course, the Roman Colosseum in Rome is the biggest, and the Colosseum in Verona would be the second. This is the third.
You can imagine at the Roman time, it was possible to collect here 30,000 spectators.
30,000 spectators.
Yes.
And there's actually a cistern and a water collection system for the town.
The system of evacuation of water, drink. Because we have problem of water in our place. That's why they do this canalization to collect water of rain from here and from here. And go to the well. The well storage.
But where this beats them all, the underground, where the gladiators, the lions, is still so well preserved underground. You can see the rooms where the lions are kept. You can see where the lions were taken up by a pulley to the Colosseum or the amphitheater floor. And of course you can see where the gladiators themselves were thrown into the Colosseum.
So here we can see the underground. We can see even the system of evacuation of water underground.
Okay.
Because they kept animals and gladiators in underground. This room, and this was for gladiator. The gladiator wait here the game. Because the gladiator was sometimes the condemned person, criminals.
Criminal.
No, yes, no prison, not jail.
But if they lose, they die.
Yes.
So it's a death sentence.
Yes. Okay. And when the game will start, they put the lion in cage. Yes. So they put the lion in cage and they go up to arena by hand left. They go in gladiator by the small door to the small door of arena. They push the gladiators, they close the door, and the game starts. And we will go like gladiator, like Spartacus.
But no lie.
I don't know. Maybe
Maybe police.
I'm not sure.
It's a mystery.
And as we learned that the like the movies, I guess, a lot of the gladiators were prisoners, and they basically said, look, you're going out there with the lions, and if you win, you're free. If you lose, you're dead, and that's the way it goes. Of course, there were professional gladiators as well. Those gladiators never fought the lions. Those gladiators, of course, fought themselves for the entertainment of those people.
Here comes the gladiator.
Yes, like this. Until now, we don't see because this was covered. But
Right.
Yes.
Yes, from here. From here. From here, they go in, the gladiator, they close the door, and the game starts. The line from here. Yes.
Oh boy.
Yes, people sit there, and also they can do also the betting.
The bidding. Oh, there was.
Yes, we don't invent anything. Modern life. It's for this time. So,
Spectacular.
yes,
Magnifique.
very, very interesting because we know even the place of emperor, the royal box. When he comes from Rome, the emperor sat there.
Best view.
In the middle, the second. We will go there to be as emperor for a few minutes.
I'll be the emperor.
Yes,
It's better. It's better.